Ang sabi sa James chapter 1 verse 12, "Blessed is a man who perseveres under trial, for once he has been approved, he will receive the crown of life which the Lord has promised to those who loved him." Ito po ay sulat ni James sa mga na-scatter na tribes of Israel. And sabi nga niya, pinagpala ang tao na siya ay dumadaan sa mga matitinding pagsubok at matinding paglilitis ng kanyang pananampalataya o yung pag-try ng kanyang pananampalataya. We all have faith in God. Hebrews 11 verse 6, it says, "Without faith, it is impossible to please God." So naniniwala tayong may Diyos, nananampalataya tayong may Diyos. We have that kind of faith. But this faith is tested under trial. Totoo ba yung faith na yan? Yan ba ay talagang pag dumaan ka sa matinding pagsubok, makatayo ka ba hanggang sa huli? And that is the testing of our faith. Now, if we persevere under trial, ibig sabihin pag napagtagumpayan natin yun, the Lord says that He will give us the crown of life. And that is our reward. Yun ang reward natin kapag tayo pag napagtagumpayan natin ang trials sa ating buhay. Trials about this faith. And if we succeed, the Lord will give us this reward. Now, if we don't succeed, the Lord will not give us the reward. Simple as that. But one thing that is most important from God is that He always gives us grace. Hindi ka nag-succeed, tuloy ka ulit. Encouragement ng Diyos. Because He gives you that grace to continue. Ang grasya ng Diyos nagbibigay sa iyo na magpatuloy ka. Magpatuloy ka. Sige lang, bumagsak ka, hindi ka nag-succeed, tayo ka ulit, magpatuloy ka. God gives us that grace, even though we fail at times in the testing of our faith. And so, my friends, let this be a challenge for us. That when we come to these trials, when we are undergoing such trials in our lives, let us always have that faith. And God, who is a rewarder of those who seek Him, will reward you in the end. The word of the Lord for you today. God bless you.